Hello, you wonderful click-hungry little marketers. Welcome to my chocolate-coated world of traffic and conversions, where dreams are sweet and mistakes are sticky. I'm Willy Wonka, but today I'm not handing out golden tickets. I'm handing out 11 brutal Propeller ads mistakes that are turning your candy stores into haunted houses. So grab a fizzy lifting drink, hold onto your hat, and let's dive in. Mistake 1. Running campaigns without tracking. That's like pouring chocolate without a mold, just a messy puddle. Always track your zones, your clicks, your dreams, or you'll drown in your own fudge. Mistake 2. Ignoring GEO targeting. Would you sell bubblegum-flavored carrots to a llama? No. Same with GEOs. Match your offer to the country, or you'll end up with a basket of unsold toffee. Mistake 3. Choosing the wrong traffic type. Push ads for things nobody pushes. Pop unders where no one wants to pop. Pick your candy carefully, or the kids will walk out of your candy shop crying. Mistake 4. No pre-landers. Would I sell chocolate without wrapping it in mystery and magic? Never. Pre-landers warm up your audience. No pre-lander means cold, suspicious clicks, like unwrapping a chocolate bar and finding broccoli inside. Mistake 5. Ugly creatives. Nobody wants a candy bar with a picture of sad oatmeal on the wrapper. Make your ads sparkle, shimmer, and scream "click me" like a Wonka bar in a candy storm. Mistake 6. Blasting your users without frequency caps. Hit them once, twice, not 37 times an hour. Even the sweetest candy gets sickening if you force feed it. Cap your ads like you cap your everlasting gobstoppers. Mistake 7. Chasing tier 1 traffic too soon. It's like trying to sell diamond-encrusted gumdrops to kids with allowance money. Start with tier 2 and tier 3. Sweeter costs, sweeter profits, before you tackle the Beverly Hills of traffic. Mistake 8. Not testing enough creatives. Would I sell only one flavor of chocolate? Test different angles, images, hooks. One of them is your golden ticket, and the others are just spoiled marshmallows. Mistake 9. Using bad landing pages. Slow loading, ugly, confusing. That's not a candy store. That's a nightmare. Make your landing pages fast, shiny, delicious, like stepping into a factory of dreams, not into a dark alley. Mistake 10. Ignoring the data. The numbers tell the story. If you're not checking your CTR, your ROI, your EPC, you're just licking random walls, hoping one of them tastes like strawberries. Look at the charts, my dear friends. They're more magical than my chocolate river. Mistake 11. Scaling losers instead of winners. If the candy tastes bad, don't make more. Stop. Pivot. Find the candy that makes people do a happy dance. Scale the winning ads. Throw the losers into the chocolate furnace. And there you have it. 11 nasty, sticky, campaign-wrecking mistakes explained by yours truly, Mr. Wonka himself. Avoid these, and your traffic factory will turn into a money-printing candy machine faster than you can say everlasting profits. Smash that subscribe button like you're smashing a chocolate piñata. Hit that like button harder than an Oompa Loompa on a sugar rush. And share this video with your marketer friends who still think they can scale ugly ads and sad landing pages. Now get out there and make your campaigns sweeter than a river of chocolate dreams.